How are you all? I hope you all are very good. Welcome to the channel with the very new topic of class 5th science chapter number 3, that is about lifestyle of animals. Students, in this session, we will learn about the different lifestyle of animals which they have adapted according to their environment for their easy survival. All right. So, in this session, we will learn about some feeding habits, breathing style, movement, and also the migration among the animals. All right. So, first of all, student, we have to match the animals to their habitats. They have given you these animals, and you have to match them according to their habitats. Means what? What is habitat, first of all? Habitat is a natural place where a living being survive or grow naturally. ठीक है, एक ऐसा प्लेस, नेचुरल प्लेस जहाँ पे कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, चाहे वो प्लांट हो, एनिमल हो, वो अपने सर्वाइवल को वहाँ पे मेंटेन कर सके, उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस को वी कॉल हैबिटेट. So now they have given you some animals, like first of all they have given you this monkey. So student, monkey, where does it live? Monkey is a arboreal animal. Means what? It spend most of its time on the trees only. So trees ही monkey का क्या होता है? Habitat होता है. So we will match it with the what? Tree. Then secondly we have what? Uh, Camel. And camel lives in the desert. Okay? So we'll match it with the desert. Why? Because if you must have heard about it, that camel is called the ship of the desert. All right. Then next we have what? We have this fish. And the fishes live in the water. And this is a polar bear. Polar bear lives in the polar region. All right. So like this, we have matched these animals to their habitats. Now let's start the chapter. So there are different types of animals present on the earth, and the place where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces is called its habitat. Animals living in a particular habitat adapt themselves to the surrounding. What they're saying is, students, कि earth पर different types of animals present होते हैं. And as I told you, एक ऐसा place जहाँ पे animal रहता है, feed करता है and reproduce करता है, that is called its habitat. So animals living in a particular habitat. कोई भी animal जो एक particular habitat में रहता है, वो खुद को अपने surrounding के according, अपने environment के according, खुद के habitat के according adapt कर लेता है. Alright? चलो. So first of all, we have what? The feeding habits. So as we need food to live and grow, animals also need food to get energy and stay healthy. Animals differ from each other in feeding habits. Their feeding habits depend on the type of food they eat. They have mouth according to the type of food they eat. What they're saying is, students, कि जैसे कि हमें एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए, अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए फूड की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, सिमिलरली एनिमल्स भी फूड को क्या करते हैं? डिमांड करते हैं. उन्हें भी फूड की रिक्वायरमेंट है फॉर द एनर्जी एंड ऑल्सो टू स्टे हेल्दी. ठीक है. सो एनिमल्स डिफर फ्रॉम ईच अदर. एनिमल्स क्या है? एक दूसरे से डिफर करते हैं अपनी फीडिंग हैबिट्स के बेसिस पे भी. ठीक है. फीडिंग हैबिट्स, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर एनिमल की जो फीडिंग हैबिट है वो डिपेंड करती है कि वो किस टाइप का फूड खाते हैं, एंड उस पर्टिकुलर एनिमल का जो माउथ होगा वो भी उसी फूड टाइप के अकॉर्डिंग होगा विच दे ईट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव rodents. व्हाट आर rodents? सी, सम एनिमल्स, कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं विच हैव शार्प फ्रंट टीथ, एंड इन शार्प फ्रंट टीथ के थ्रू ये एनिमल्स सीड्स एंड फ्रूट्स को ग्नो करते हैं. So the animals which gnaw the seeds and fruits with the help of their sharp front teeth, these animals are called rodents. All right. Examples: squirrel, mouse, rabbit, etc. All of these are what? Rodents. Next we have what? Land animals. Land animals कौन से हैं? See, the animals that eat plants and grass are called herbivores. So, अब land animal may be different types of groups are there of animal according to their feeding habits. So, वो animals जो plants and grass को खाते हैं, they are called herbivores. And students, herbivores के जो teeth होते हैं, they are well suited to eat the grass and plants. So basically land animals या जो herbivores हैं, इनके पास sharp front teeth है, so that they could bite the leaves of the plant. And also they have strong flat grinding teeth. इनके जो grinding teeth है वो भी काफी strong and flat होता है, so that they can easily chew their food. Example, cow, goat, sheep, deer, etc. All of these are some herbivores. Then next we come to carnivores. So animals like wolf, lion and tiger. ठीक है, wolf, lion, tiger ये ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जो अदर एनिमल्स के फ्लैश यानी कि मीट को खाते हैं एंड देयरफॉर दे आर कॉल्ड व्हाट कार्निवोर्स. ऑलराइट, एंड कार्निवोर्स आर आल्सो इंक्लूडेड अंडर द हेड लैंड एनिमल ओनली. ठीक है, दीज एनिमल्स स्टूडेंट्स कार्निवोर्स के पास भी काफी शार्प पॉइंटेड एंड कर्व्ड फ्रंट टीथ होते हैं सो दैट दे कुड इजीली टीयर द फ्लैश एंड ऑल्सो द स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्राइंडिंग टीथ. इसके अलावा जो ग्राइंडिंग टीथ है वो भी काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं सो दैट ये दूसरे एनिमल्स की बोन्स को इजीली क्रश कर सके. यू कैन सी दिस इज व्हाट टाइगर, फॉक्स, लायन, ऑल ऑफ दीज आर कार्निवोर्स ओनली. Next, we have what the third group of land animal known as omnivores. And omnivores are the animals which can eat both, that is the plant as well as the flesh. ठीक है,